I had to take my rear drive shaft off to take my transfer case out to put on a slip yoke eliminator. So, yeah, here's how you take the rear drive shaft out on a Jeep TJ 97 through 2006. Removed 4 8mm bolts on the differential. Make sure you have a good wrench. These bolts are easy to strip. Ow! That hurt. Take off the straps. Slide the drive shaft forward.
Come on.
You might have to pry it and pop, out it comes.
Okay.
Very short drive shaft on the TJ. I think this is the problem with my driveline vibration. There is nary a needle valve anywhere, or needle bearing anywhere. It's a Spicer bearing or Spicer U-joint, so it might be original. Oh, something just came out. This one is seized altogether. So yeah, that's the problem with the driveline vibration. I probably could just change these U-joints and be good, but yeah, we're gonna go with slip yoke. And well, this one doesn't feel too bad, but this one this one left the chat a long time ago.